I mean, uh, I mean, I'll just say that the company wouldn't exist without the
Right.
values.
True. True.
Like, Adam and specifically our founding team, the people who like birthed it, we were clear that this was why we were making this company, like
So it
we're
wasn't like let's make as much money as possible and that will screw the rest. Let's make a great product for people like that is healthy for people, that's good for the environment, and let's make some money while we do it. It's still a company, it's still a for-profit company, but we want to have, it has to be this, it has to have
yeah,
regenerative agriculture, like no chemicals, be good for people, be healthy for the environment. That was the big thing, right?
yeah. And I mean, and I also think that there's a genuine trust.
Mm,
Belief isn't quite the word. It's genuine trust that this is where business has to go.
hmm.
Like we have to start doing this, and Pacha is on the leading edge of a movement that is building and unfolding. And yeah, if
I
if we're
totally
gonna
agree.
have food farmed from our farmlands, we have to start shifting. There's like an estimate that there are 60 harvests left from most of like 95% of the farmable land in our country. 60 harvests is like 30 years if we keep
Yeah.
going the way we're going.
Yeah. That's not good.
Terrifying.
That is terrifying. That
Yeah,
is very terrifying. But when you install things like regenerative agriculture, now you're looking at extending that, like,
indefinitely.
yeah,
If you
indefinitely.
truly are caring for the ecosystem and
Yeah.
nurturing, just if the main thing you're caring for is the soil is going to care for you.
Yeah. Now here's a question that you may or may not be able to answer because like obviously here's the problem is like, we have a problem where we have 60 harvests left, about 30 years left of agriculture within the United States. I'm sure it's very similar to Canada. Regenerative agriculture really will help to make it indefinite. How do we make that shift on a larger scale, not just company after company, but just being like, we need to make this? Is that a policy decision that needs to take place to really move the needle? Or is it more of just education for business owners or both?
Yeah, I mean, to move at the pace that I think we need to move at, it's, attack on all fronts. I do think that policy is going to be key in making the shift. What kind of policy that needs to be is
Yeah,
hard to say, like
right.
one of the issues with regenerative agriculture is that it's actually not well defined.